Welcome to the World Referral Network. What you are seeing is the screen to the World Referral Network. This is if you're going to ask to join and you found the website, and it's https://worldreferralnetwork.mn.co. You will be getting an invitation, and in that invitation, you will start to get more information. Now, I'm using a Gmail account. I have received an invitation. You would click it, and then you would follow the instructions and hit Join Me. It will take us to the World Referral Network. And hit Join. We'll ask you to create a name. So you're going to see right above here, my information. So it has my email address in here. So I'm going to call Knack and Fransgrote. So type it in, create a password, use a securely generated one, and create an account. Click I agree to terms, agree to receive activity from Mighty Networks, agree to receive commercial emails from Mighty Networks. Now you can adjust this later on, and I'll show you how to do that. You hit confirm to accept terms of service. And I'm going to update my profile. And here you would add your photo. You either click here and find a photograph. So let's find a photo. And in this case, we'll just grab something quickly. Here we go. We'll grab the birds. You can also skip this piece. Next, it's now building out some information. It says welcome and let me explore first, or say hello. You can do this two different ways. So explore first. There is a checklist of things to do that explains how the platform is designed and how it works. If you've used a Mighty Networks platform before, same pattern of behavior. You can hit likes to someone's statement. Like, you can also see, like in this case, someone else has already hit. You can see who that is. What will be happening next? You will be looking to go into the groups section. And we'll cover that in a second. So some things to show you. If you click on your icon, you go to your personal settings. This is really going to be key for you. One of the things, you can invite people, by the way, once you're in. You can text you the app, appearance and sounds, and notifications. Notifications is really important. Do you want email updates? You want to get notified on the go? How often do you want to have your notifications? As activity happens, that means every time someone posts something, it sends out an email or through a daily digest. So those are really important. Then if you post something in this space, you can say cheers in your stuff and so forth. Now we're going to exit out of the personal settings area and you hit the X. Next thing you want to do is go down towards groups. Now all of a sudden you'll see a list of groups. You can scroll down. These can be joined. It will depend on what your status is. You're coming in as a free member at this time. There's no cost, and you can opt out at any point in time. Here are some of the choices. As I'm scrolling down, you go, now I am starting to sign in as Knack for Business. So I'll come in. I'm the new person into the space. Already signed in. I have a profile to add still. That's going to be very important. So your photo, what you do, much what you have, let's say, on your LinkedIn profile, I would just cut and paste those elements over. That way you'll have a consistent messaging. Now, you'll notice I'll have two things in the bell up here. So when I click on the bell, I can say, hey, allow desktop notifications. Yeah, sure. I'm fine with that. Click that. If I'm in the Phoenix Business Exchange group, I can click that. And I'm in. If I scroll down to groups, I'm inside Phoenix. By the way, if you see this, that means you can shrink it down. And you can always expand it again. Side tip. This is the Phoenix Business Exchange group. I can create information, quick post, an article, question, or poll. These might vary depending on your status in that space. One important thing, while I'm in this group, the information I share in this group stays inside this group. These groups are closed. If I go to the home page here, if I create something here, a quick post, it is shared with everybody in the entire community. So all 700 people can see that. As you can see, there's less opportunity for me to post things. I can't post events, but a quick post. How a quick post works, I can post a picture or a GIF file. This will work in the subgroups we just ended up having a chat about. So let's say we'll do the photograph flowers. It'll load the flower, and now you can start typing a text, something relevant. You can promote a business, you can promote a podcast, and other information. The other thing that's handy, you can first off, you can cancel. If you post information in here, in this case, I don't want this to be here, I can now come up to the three dots. I can edit, move, or delete. In this case, I'm going to delete. Yes, delete. And it's gone. So your posts in any group or any space or in the main page can be managed this way. So some other features you can do, you click on your identity, you can change the color pattern. So you can go to dark mode or light mode, whichever suits you. Personal settings, you can be in this space and you can work your account, update email and password, deactivate the account, edit profile, first and last name, your mini bio, a little bit more about you, personal links, company name, location, time zone. They will also indicate who you are a part of. And if you invite people, it also indicates that information in the space too. More in personal settings. Appearance and sounds, light mode, dark mode, device settings, how you want to get notified, and system alerts. Basically, your computer will ping if you activate or deactivate or something else happens while you're on the page. Arrow back. Text me the app. You know that part. And you've also seen the invite button. So this is how you would invite somebody. You copy the link, type in their information, and go so forth. To log off, to completely disengage, hit the sign out button. In this area, this is where you end up getting notifications of what's going on. If someone is messaging you directly, you can search for them. So in this case, if I want to add a chat, you want to look for that other Fransberg in the space. There he is. Click in, start chat. You can say hello, other information that you want to share. Add a picture or a GIF. Hello. Hit enter, and off it goes. When a message comes to you, what you'll end up saying, you'll see an icon or head count starting up here. So in this case, this is me sending a message to myself. It opens up, and I'll see hello, and then I can respond back and forth and carry out a communication. I can archive it, open in a new window, block, report, mute, enable sounds, show send button, and notification settings. And it takes me back here. How do I want to be notified? Again, you can adjust and filter what works for you. So you'll get email responses back. Welcome to World Referral Network. There's a button to say hi, get started, and customize your notifications. If you're asked to join a group or someone sends you an invite, you'll see that invitation. So here's Phoenix Business Exchange. When you're accepted to groups, you'll see if you're invited to the Phoenix Business Exchange, again, you'll see the response. How to get started. Thank you.